Okay, so this video is showing you how to manually create a contract, manually assign equipment belong to this contract, and manually create PM details. First, we will need to create a contract header. Before we create a contract header, let's take a look. What is the uncontracted equipment that we have in the system? So on this equipment table, let's scroll to the right, and you can see that some of them already being contracted. It shows the contract number. Some of them it's empty. So for example, this one it's empty. It belongs to my customer three, customer number three, and address number four. All right. So on the contract, we can see that it used to link to a contract, but it's no more active. That's why it's now uncontracted equipment. So now I'm going to create a new contract. Very quickly, I will pick fixed price for this contract, and this is just a test contract, and then I will pick my customer number three. All right. I picked my customer number three and address is number four. I'm happy about that. So this is the billing address because that is the customer that we are going to charge for the equipment, and then for the equipment maintenance. And then let's scroll down. What is the start date and end date for this contract? I will pick today and maybe 4 years later. And then the sales rep, I will pick Sarah as an example. And if I want to specify what is the service code, I do it here on the contract level, and I want it to be aggregate on the site PM level. And also if this customer have a special price schedule, I will apply it, but now I will leave it empty. And then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And this is the one last thing that we will need to fill in. This is the item that's going to show on the invoice for this contract. If, for example, you send them a monthly subscription invoice, so this will be the line item that's going to show on that invoice. So I'm going to pick a line which is related to billing, let's say contract billing. And then here is the billing interval for that item, annually, monthly, or quarterly. I will say monthly. And once, well, looks like there's some basic information already filling, and I'm going to save it. Okay, once I save this, there are several ways that you can create contract lines and assign equipment to this contract. I'm going to show you the basic way in Fieldpoint in this video, which is using this assign equipment button. If you click on this button, you will see all uncontracted company equipment. Any equipment that's already in other contract is not going to show here. So here it will only show you all the open equipment which is not contracted yet. So let's say we pick 3 of them, and once I pick them, I click save. What will happen is the system will automatically create 3 contract lines, and this 3 contract lines links to those 3 different items. And now the contract part and the assign equipment part, it's done. And now if you want to create PM details, of course you can create PM details under the contract line here, manually one by one, like this. Or if you think it's okay, you can go to the PM manager and then use the PM manager to create that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the PM manager, and then you can see here is empty. I'm going to pick one to create a new PM. I will randomly pick a service code. And for routine, I will say 123. And I don't care about the fixed price and cost at this moment. So I will leave all of them empty, like PM notes, customer notes. I will leave all of them empty just to fill in the next PM date and what's the interval. For example, this is monthly. And then I save it. Okay. Once I save it, you should be able to see that now we have this item or this equipment have the PM scheduled for every month.